Alright guys, we are back here looking at oil. Like I said, it's 6, market's just opening up. I'm going to take that long again. Like I said, a continuation of this break. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3. So go ahead and take it. As you can see, it's starting to up.
Order filled.
I do like it. I'm going to take 2
Order
guys.
filled.
The reason being, I really want to grab a nice trade here. I do like it. I have confidence in this. I mean, obviously, I could always still be wrong. The risk is obviously a little less since it's been up a little bit. So it's around 100, 108, 106 or so. So we're going to keep it there for now. And hoping to hit somewhere around here. This is really what I would love to hear, that 126 area, which is that high. So we're going to leave it there for now, guys, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get a nice push up from this break and go from there, guys. So 2 contract, and we'll come back later. All right. Hello, guys. Good morning. We are back. Unfortunately, we got stopped out. We're not catching these plays, guys. Look at this. So now it's actually starting to form. So we had obviously I think it was here where it went, hit 3 here, and then it came down, hit us. So you can see. Now let me make this a little bigger so you can see it. There we go. Get you a little closer. So you had this 1, you had 2, 3. Hit, and then it broke, and then it stopped us out. Now I'm looking at this right now, and I'm looking to see if we can, looking at this now. See, now same thing. You have 1, this is all basically 2, and then 3, and now we're breaking out right here, which I like. What's oil right now? Right now oil is, we're down 0.3%. So not terrible, not great. I'll show you. I'll show you. I have some. This is what I look at every day. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it didn't come out. Where is it? Oh, it didn't come out. Okay. Well, regardless. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at right now. As you can see here, it is 3, but I'm just waiting because right now it broke all the way over here and you can come back down. Now remember, this would be our stop loss. And I'm trying to be as this last week and then today, obviously, yesterday, today, it's just been a tough week. I mean, we're playing exactly our strategy, but things are just not going for us. And this is where a lot of traders quit, I would say. Because they look at this and they're like, I'm following my strategy, it's not working. What's going on? So it happens. That's just the way it is. Sometimes it's just the market's just not, it's not going to your favor. As long as you're following your strategy, because all of our losses, I think the last week's, which was the 245 one. Besides that, all of our having controlled losses. They're not like $500 loss, $600 loss. I'm looking at gold right here. You have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches right there. So that would be something I was looking at. So that's the thing. So we just got to keep an eye on that and keep going. Hopefully we can try to get back into the thousands and really keep going up. I like gold right here. So you see it's this continuation. We're going up higher. And just higher. Let's see if we keep going up. I don't think we have too much room here to the upside. If we break, it would be a quick scalp, basically to this point or anything above, and then take it. I think we're due to come back down and retest to come back down a little bit. So I'd be more interested to break this line. As you can see here, we have 1 touch, almost 2, you have 3, you have 4. To come back down, break this, and go down. But we'll see what happens. Let go. Let's look at the NASDAQ real quick. Alright, so I'm going to put this there. That's the highs because we just keep making new highs, which is crazy to me. That's all we got right now. Yeah, see, that wouldn't even work because it's already breaking. That's what the NASDAQ right now. I'm just interested to take short on the NASDAQ. So I'm not interested to take any highs because it's just, you don't know where it's going. I mean, it can keep going up, but you have no idea where it's going. So, look at platinum. All right. Platinum. I said 1, 2. I think this was the 3rd right there. That was 3 right there. So it broke, came back up. This would be your stop loss right there. So, I mean that's a very that's a lot of risk. Remember, platinum you can only do minis, not a micro. So we'll see what happens here. But I'm definitely not taking that. Let's look at silver. Actually, silver looked interesting. Silver's annoying too because every tick is like $5 or something. So it's kind of a pain in the butt because the risk can be high. Not as much as platinum, but it's I think it's like 5 times more than the other micros. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at silver. You can see here you have 1, you have 2, 3 basically, and then so if this breaks, I definitely like it. What's silver on? Silver is I don't think I have it. Oh, silver is up 0.09%, so it's not up by a lot, not crazy. So let's look at the Dow. Looking at this yesterday. Look at this. You have 1, you have 2, and you have 3, and then look at this now. Look at that. See, those are the things. So I'm not gonna sit here and be like it didn't work, because obviously it does work. But see, this worked perfectly. 1, 2, 3. This happened at what? At 11 o'clock. Yeah. So it happened at 11 yesterday night when I was sleeping. Now, this is one thing I wish Top Step gets soon, and I know that the CEO was talking about alerts. Because if I can put alert here, guys, when this candle happens, I would get an alert. You wake up in the middle of the night around 11, 12, you see this, you're going to be like, okay, sure, you take this, and you would be in profit right now, you know what I mean? But that's the issue is because there's no alerts on Top Step yet. I'm kind of one step behind that I'm missing these plays that are already playing because I play on the hourly that we could play, but I don't. So, what are you going to do? Oh, wait, I forgot. Yeah, right there. See what happens. Keeps going down. Let's look at the Russell. So, this was yesterday, the Russell, which I was annoyed I missed 1, 2, 3, and then we broke. And then look at this, guys. It's just been disgusting. They were not up a little bit, but that would have been such a great play. Jeez. And I just gotta. It's the same thing. But this I missed yesterday. I think it was like 12. Midday, noon. Again, but I would have, if I got the alert, could have played that. But not much to do now, guys. Not much you can do. I think we'll keep it there for now. I might go longs on gold if we can break this. We'll see. And then I'm tempted to take longs here on oil because now we're finally breaking this. You do have 3 here. It is breaking this downtrend. See, this is a nice, as you can see here. Let's see. This would be right there. No, right there. Yeah, that's right there. See, that's a very tight resistance right there. It came back, tested this again, broke, retested it again, came back, retested. This is a 65.70 is a really, really strong resistance right there. So I might take it. Because the risk is not gonna be crazy. I mean, that's the problem though. It's you have from here all the way to here. Your risk. Let's see. Let's take what it would be with 1, not 3. 1.
Order filled.
It's actually not bad. Yeah, you know what, guys? I'm gonna keep it. What time is it? 8:40. Wow, I don't have to have a lot of time. All right, so I'm gonna keep it here. 78. With that's kind of where I'm aiming at, around here. Hopefully we can really break this. If we can break this, we could really get going. This is gonna be my stop loss for now. If we can get like a huge jump up here, then I'll turn my stop loss. But for now, keep it here. Hopefully we can get a nice little thing. Turn this 98 into at least some break even for the day, and just try to take it easy. Yeah, you can see here that there's some resistance from here to there. So I'll take 1 just with this risk right there. Breaking this is be your safety line, guys. Simple. Okay, let's see, make it easy. You can see it. All right. So I'll leave it there for now, and we'll be back later on, guys. All right, guys. We are back. It's around 9 o'clock. It just came back to my computers, and we're down already $38. I don't know what happened here. We just launched down, I guess. So let's look at the hourly. Yeah, we just had this Huge nasty candles. I'm gonna take a little risk here. I'm gonna add one more here, guys. You know,
Order filled.
116 risk. So you know, it's a little more maybe, but I do like it here. From all the way up here, that's where we were. So now we are 2 long at 65.52. Try to get some a nice. I'm probably gonna put one actually right here. Sell one here. No wait. If we entered here, we want to have a sell right here. Let's see. And the reason why we have one sell, this is my thinking, is that we enter right here, right? So when we sell our first one, it's gonna sell here for like what, 6 in profit. So basically break even on the first one, but our average is gonna be up here on the second one. So when it's here and it hits this, you know, hopefully if it goes our way, we're gonna be very in profit, and then just gonna keep riding this as much as we can. That's the goal. Obviously, it can come back down and hit both of us, and we're out. But that's what we're looking at. As you can see here, we have some nice resistance around here. So hopefully it keeps this up and we push up. Let's put this up actually a little more right there. Of course, we can keep both of them and then try to ride them both of them up. But, you know, it's riskier, especially with what we've been doing. I'd rather just play with one micro. So I'll leave it here. Hope we can get this filled and have a nice profit and keep going up. But we'll be back later, right? So 2 contracts here. All right. All right, guys. As you can see here, we got stopped out. It's just not much you can do, guys. It's just the market not playing with us. So it is what it is. We're just gonna keep it going. This is it for today. Obviously, at the top left, a $200 lost. Hopefully, we can try to do this tomorrow. But this is all we can do, guys. This is it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.